If you ask me one crypto token which is the most undervalued right now into the market, into my opinion, then I will tell you that token is API3. So if you wanted to know more why API3 is the most undervalued token, so stay tuned to this video because I will be explaining each and every aspect why it is the most undervalued crypto token right now. So this is the website, which is CoinGecko website, and the API3 stands into the category of Oracle. And what are Oracle? We already know that. So Oracle are basically that gives us the price feeds data into the blockchain. So API3 is standing at top 3 and the leading protocol which is giving the Oracle a boom which is called as Chainlink. And at second we have Pyth network. So at third we have API3, and if you see the market cap of this section is 8.7 billion for the Chainlink, 1 billion around for the Pyth, and remaining 250 million for the API3. And the whole market cap is just $12 billion. And insane amount the market is taken by the Chainlink. And we already know that Chainlink is now at the top. And there should be something which has some lower market cap should come at the top at least to climb the rope. So API3, which is at the third number and now standing at 250 million market cap. So let's go to directly the Twitter of the API3, what they are doing it and why they are different. So API3 real world data for Web3 straight from the source, verifiable, decentralized, straight from the source, and they have decent amount of followers which is around 60k. And if I go a bit lower, then we can see we are thrilled to announce a successful strategic treasury diversification round securing $4 million in USDC. So this is what why I'm very convicted to this that API3 is a good project for this bull cycle. So let's go to the website. So this is the website of API3, oracles that pay you. So let's go to the second thing. So if I scroll down a bit and we can explore the website quickly. So read any data feed on the API3, enable OEV network and start earning. So there is something which is very interesting called as OEV. We will discuss this in this video. And the whole price feeds are available on multiple blockchains, Arbitrum, Astra, Avalanche, Base. And then how our D APIs are different. So API3's data feeds, D APIs get their data directly from the source without relying on third-party middlemen. So this is what which is required into the decentralization of the blockchain. The DAPI aggregation contract resides on the same chain as the consumer application, meaning the data is never bridged over and exposed to the bridge exploits. So data and the contract are always at the same blockchain. This maximizes the reliability and transparency of our feeds, resulting in safer DeFi for everyone. So I think API3 is a protocol which is most trusted and verifiable. So data services for developers who prioritize security, transparency and accuracy. So what they are focusing very highly is transparency, accuracy and security of the data. So this is the priority for them. So what they have right now live, which is data feeds, QRNG, a quantum mechanics derived random number. So random number generator function is called as QRNG. And Web3 APIs, a catalog of on-demand APIs made available to Web3 developers through the use of API3 Airnode Oracle technology. You can go and just check it out and read what exactly the meaning of all these terms. So API3 partners are CoinGecko, DexFeed. So Orbit is also there. So this is a lending protocol on Blast, recently launched. So these are the chain APIs and different things. So if I directly go to the governance and if I go to the history, so all the proposals till now they have passed mission OEV. So this is a proposal which is passed on 12th of June. What is that? If I click on this, then we can see this is the mission OEV and it is executed. And if I go and click the mission, so this is what they were offering: mission OEV and amount this much and destination Gnosis safe. What is this here? So they were promising, if you see this talk and if you read it out, so they were promising a OEV for the network. So what OEV does is, so this is a very beautiful article on HackerNote. So Oracle extractable value refers to Oracle making use of their position to recapture the value. So if you read this, then you will understand what is the advantage of OEV. So OEV basically saves the money from the blockchain. So if you read this, they have the target. So 1 billion target. The mission that we embarked on last September was reached 1 billion by the end of 2024. We are proud to say that this goal has been reached significantly faster. So they have captured, so basically they have saved $1 billion of tokens from the network through the trading. And this is what we call as OEV network. So they are building a OEV recapturing mechanics so that they can save the trading funds from the abnormality due to the data feeds delay. So basically you don't get data exact at that time and you ultimately lose some funds. So they have recaptured that fund and that whole process, that whole phenomena and functionality known as OEV. So this is a very beautiful article. You just go and read out the whole thing, why OEV is important, and that OEV is being developed by the API3 and that is launching very soon. Second proposal, which is very interesting, is DWF Labs liquidity enhancement proposal. What they did is, let me go to the this is the proposal from the DWF Labs. So what they did is they have taken 1 million API3 token and they will return at some other prices. So let's read this. So this is the only thing which is very important. The API3 loan will be 1 million tokens with a period of 24 months, and DWF Labs will be providing a 6% annualized interest payable every 4 weeks with USDC tokens on Ethereum mainnet. So what they are doing, and 33% of the loan token at a strike price of $5, 33% at $6, and 33% at $7.5. Can you understand what they are doing? So DWF Labs partnered with the API3 and they have taken 1 million API3 token at some price with the promise that they will give 6% annual return based on the API3 token, and they will return these token at this price. They are saying 33% at 5, 33% at 6, and 33% at $7.5. And what is the price right now? The current price of API3 is just $2.2. Can you imagine? We are 3x down right now. So even if we buy right now, and DWF is one of the biggest company that invest into the projects. So if they are buying it and they are willing to pay back at the $7.5, they are not fool. That means they are smart. Then we should do some smart work. So in my opinion, if DWF is willing to pay at $7.5, why not we should? So I think 2.2 is a fair price for API3, and this is one of the most undervalued. I've met the team. They are very decent. They are hardworking, laborious team, and what they are building is really amazing thing. So I think API3 is one of the great project. You should consider it. You should do some research on API3. So this is one of the greatest project. And even if you are able and if you made the decision that you are willing to take some positions into API3, so they have something which is another interesting thing is called staking. And the rewards in this staking is around 49%. So even if you stake, you will get at least 50% of annual return into the API3 tokens. So this is a complete win-win situation for you. You are putting your position into some good project, and then you are getting something as a dividend, as a staking reward. That is, I think, one of the best project which I like it. So that's all about the API 3. So, and if you want me to get the all the latest updates from my side, just go to the Twitter and follow me, because I usually post a very good updates related to market, related to token research, what I did in my spare time. So just go and follow over my Twitter, and I also have a Telegram broadcast channel. So this is the channel. I will give the whole link into the description box of this video. So just go and join that channel, follow me over the Twitter, and subscribe the channel, like the video if you're really enjoying my content. So that's all for the API 3 today. See you into the next videos. Thank you.